This chart illustrates a striking imbalance. On the left, Black consumer spending is projected to reach $2.2 trillion by 2026, heavily concentrated in beauty. On the right, this fraction represents actual Black ownership within those supply chains. The solution to retaining that capital is structural, pilot city for the launch, such as New Orleans. Step 2 is identifying 2 to 3 existing independent local businesses in that city. You are looking for owners who are ready to stop renting shelf space and start controlling their own inventory. Without this coordinated system, high consumer spending simply enriches outside distributors. Transitioning these fragmented shops into a unified supply network is the required mechanical step to ensure community wealth stays within the community. Now we select our first market category. You want to target verticals with massive daily spend, but high external control. Black Beauty serves as the optimal default pilot for this model. This 3-tier pyramid maps our network hierarchy. The top tier represents flagships, established locations anchoring the network. The middle tier contains micro-branches, utilizing smaller spaces like a single salon chair to lower entry barriers. Finally, the online base tier captures digital commerce, providing e-commerce infrastructure. Across all 3 tiers, we apply a strict rule. Members maintain their independent names and brand identities, but they adopt a shared cooperative membership badge to signal their integration to consumers. By utilizing existing physical spaces, you drastically reduce the capital risk associated with funding new commercial real estate, while instantly deploying a wide distribution network across the city. This brings us to the operational core of the system. This image shows the exact spreadsheet you need to build. You will create 6 specific columns: branch name, owner, current suppliers, desired products, own produced items, and vertical. Start by auditing the current suppliers column for every branch. This step identifies the exact points where capital currently leaks out of the ecosystem and into the hands of external gatekeepers. Next, evaluate the own produced items column. Here, you catalog the specific products that your cooperative members are already manufacturing themselves. This flowchart compares 2 models of spending. On the left, store revenue leaks outward to third-party distributors. On the right, we route orders through an internal cooperative catalog, ensuring branches buy directly from each other's inventory. To make this system work, there is a non-negotiable standard. No branch can operate solely as a reseller. Every single node in the network must contribute an item, a service, or an educational program to the ecosystem. When these independent branches pool their remaining external orders, they gain immense leverage. Like dozens of small streams converging, their combined purchasing power forces outside manufacturers to offer better wholesale terms. This matrix acts as the central nervous system. It transforms isolated, vulnerable shops into an integrated, self-sustaining microeconomy that starves external gatekeepers of their previous margins. Once your beauty pilot is stabilized and functional, you will apply this exact same structural pattern to a second product category. Wellness and personal care is the optimal next target. The data shows Black consumers over-index heavily in spending on items like fragrances, soaps, and vitamins, providing a highly reliable market base. Instead of securing new real estate, use the corner strategy. Place these wellness staples on a dedicated shelf directly inside your existing beauty branches. To operationalize this, you open your matrix and add a new row labeled Wellness Corner under the corresponding branch, tracking the new inventory within the same system. This cross-branching strategy allows the cooperative to aggressively capture a larger share of daily household spending, all with 0 added real estate costs. With these columns filled, you possess an actionable organizational plan for a self-supplying ecosystem. A disconnected store owner is vulnerable to sudden supply shortages and price hikes. An integrated network of owners provides shared logistical strength and guaranteed internal distribution. Activating this framework changes how capital flows through your city. As individual nodes connect into a unified grid, every new branch increases the overall volume and stability of the supply chain. Your immediate next step is to open a blank spreadsheet and fill out the first 5 rows of this matrix for your chosen city today. Once your initial matrix is complete, we will move to the next phase of the project, drafting the official cooperative charter to formalize these relationships. High consumer spending alone does not build community wealth. Lasting economic change requires moving past consumption and actively organizing to take control of the underlying architecture of supply.